Hi friends, it's Stacey from Passion Progress. I'm back today with my daughter Gigi. We're gonna be making candy hearts. So we're using this cute heart mold and we're gonna use melting chocolates and sprinkles to make individual hearts for Valentine's Day. So to start, we got these really fun sprinkle mixes just from my local Target. And it has lots of different types of sprinkles in there. And so we're gonna start by putting sprinkles at the bottom of our heart mold, just so you can see what this looks like. All right, so we're gonna start by putting some of these little sprinkles in there. And then you can move them around, sweetie, to create like a cute little pattern. Okay, Gigi and I filled all the containers with sprinkles, so I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Oh, it's kind of hard to tell, but all of those are filled individually with different types of sprinkles. And next we're gonna melt our chocolate and fill each of the molds. So I have dark chocolate, white chocolate, and pink melting wafers. And so we could do whichever version we want. I've seen sometimes where it's layered, where they do 2 different melting chocolates. You could do just 1 melting chocolate, whichever color, whichever you have on hand. I just happen to like these Ghirardelli wafers. I think they work really well. And then these ones are called Sweet Tooth Fairy. These are from Michael's. So I just melted the dark chocolate. We're gonna actually do ours in batches. So we're gonna start out doing dark chocolate ones and we'll move on to do white chocolate ones later and pink chocolate after that. So I'm just going to put chocolate into each of these little molds. And it's okay if you spill a little bit because we're gonna actually use this spatula to make it all even on top. And smooth, as Gigi just said. Okay, now I'm using this little spatula to make the chocolate hearts even on the top. This is a spatula I actually use for cake making. Gigi's like, I would have eaten that chocolate. This is how you get an even top layer. She said I'm wasting chocolate. Sorry, babe. I totally could have let you lick this. We now need to let these harden for maybe an hour. You can do it quicker if you put them in the freezer or the refrigerator. I'm just gonna clean these up a little bit and then wait for them to harden. We're back. It's been a while. We've been letting these harden, so we're gonna pop one out so I can show you. So cute and easy. All right, Gigi, pop one out. Let's look at it. Do a different one.
Okay, let's do this one.
See. Show them the sprinkles. These are the ones. Oh, that's the same. Didn't mean to do that. I wanted to see the one with the hearts. Oh, that's so cute. So simple and so cute.
Oh, wait, no, these ones are the balls, I think, right?
They're balls?
Oh, that's cute. As you can see, this is a super easy Valentine's Day little treat making right at home. Super fun for me to do with Gigi. You can head over to passionprogress.com to find the full recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.
You sure the question isn't why?
Yep, it's definitely why not.